Hello, St. Martin. Let's get it. Man, the view is spectacular. This place is beautiful. I cannot wait to get on the beach. And we have this amazing young lady that's giving us a what? Man, gotta love that. Go and get your free bag when you come to St. Martin. We gotta find a taxi ride in the taxi area. We are at the famous Sunset Beach, baby. Let's get it in. Let's see what this thing is all about. Take one of those, $14, get it filled up, souvenirs, keepsake. All right, back to the port area. Got a chance to explore some of St. Martin. Very nice little area. Now we're about to check out some of the shops and souvenirs. So after a long day in St. Martin, me and wifey decided to get a couple drinks at the bar. St. Martin was one of those islands that we felt we could have taken a little bit more advantage of, but we decided to do the tour this day, which took up most of our day, but we got a chance to learn a lot about St. Martin and its history. Apologize about not getting as much video on this island, but definitely be looking forward to our next videos. Appreciate you taking the time and hope you enjoy some of the footage and some of the things that we did in St. Martin. Have a great vacation.